You'll have love at first sight with the 2014 Chevrolet Impala. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 150,000 miles on the odometer. Take your sophisticated style on the road in the Impala, the full-size family car that blends a premium passenger experience with athletic performance and advanced safety features. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Why not get the family car that knows how to please everyone, especially the driver? Take the Impala out for a road test.